welcome to the Moto Experience. My name is Jackson. This here is my Triumph Scrambler 400X and my first modifications video. I'm excited to be installing two luggage racks, a rear luggage rack and a side luggage rack where I'll be able to put a 1 liter or 0.75 gallon gas tank. Should be pretty simple. Let's get to it. I think the racks look great. Really excited to try them out. One, I've had my roll bag on the seat, but now I could either have just a roll bag on the back or two roll bags and a backpack. You can bring a lot more stuff camping. It'll be a lot more fun, a lot more comfortable. And with these bars, I have this GoPro bar mount. I've been getting some fun camera angles with it, but I can get even more fun camera angles putting it on here. I'm excited. It looks great. As far as other modifications go, I installed the engine bars myself. It wasn't too bad, pretty easy. I recommend if you have basic tools and a floor jack, you can do it yourself. Save you some money instead of paying a mechanic to do it. And I had a ceramic PPF put on the tank to protect the paint because it's such a beautiful sparkly red. I love the paint and the pinstripes. Beautiful tank, love it.